Inspired by nature, for climate, for our future. Nature is not optional. It is central to climate resilience and our collective future. The world has heard the climate story for decades. Some have responded with delay, distraction, denial, but many others have taken action. Solar panels stretch across rooftops. Wind turbines line the horizon. Cities are being redesigned for people. Forests are being replanted. Single-use plastics are being replaced. Positive tipping points are taking root in every corner of the planet. We can all step in to move further, to steer a world already in positive motion. And we can ask, what does nature inspire us to do in our minds and our hearts? How is our consciousness changing for the climate and for the future of life on this planet? When we listen to the sounds of birds or ocean waves or a bubbling brook, what is nature telling us? Perhaps it is a message of harmony and purity and love and peace. Listen for the next few minutes to these sounds of nature. Appreciate the quiet. And listen to what nature has to say to you. And make a commitment of what you are ready to give back to nature.